Up, check. Welcome to another episode of Chris Black's Opinion. Who cares? We'll talk about a little of this, little of that, little of fiction, and some facts. People, Ninja Man found guilty for murder. 2009 murder, actually. As and this case has been in the court now for what? Nearly a decade. That's how you would call it, because it's over 8 years, right? Close to a decade. And right about now, he was charged yesterday, November the 20th, 2017. And I think this is a trade. Just my opinion still. I wonder if they're making a trade. Vybz Kartel out, Ninja Man in. I don't know. But people look like look like Ninja Man may as they will be sentencing him sometime next week, and it look like he may get a life sentence, people. Look like this may come down to the wire where the DJ probably get a life sentence. I don't know. Right about now, any time over 10 years is like a life sentence in Ninja Man, because Ninja Man way up in age. By the time he come back out, him life set away. You see me? Career set away. That's just my opinion still. I don't know. Probably me have some plans, because yesterday when he was sentenced, when them was taking him back to himself, it was all smile. Like him have him plan well, him have him thing well planned out. He must know what's up. I don't know what's up with him, but people just wonder if his Vybz Kartel out, Ninja Man in. This could be a trade. What you guys think? Does this look like a trade? This probably may look like a trade. I don't know. Something don't look right. This look fishy. Vybz Kartel have his appeal coming up in July of 2018. That will be next year. And his lawyer team is getting everything together for him for his appeal, and it look like a good case for Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel, we don't want to elaborate too much on that, knowing that that matter is not fully settled as yet, knowing that it's an appeal about to go on, so we don't want really understand certain things and because we know that the people that want to see the world was free up. Sorry for to Ninja Man and thing. It is like that sometime, people. It's a sad situation still, but it's go to soul. That's why sometimes me say to a DJ them, if you know the click on in, no na par with, no na do. You get me? I say, if you don't have to hire people for be on a bodyguard and do certain things and reante, what if you do, when you do them things there, understand? You can't go around and you know you're an artist and you're in a badness. It can't, two things them don't go together. You understand? Well, end of the day, I don't know what go down with him. I don't know if him do what him do. Me just hear people say that and say to these things, but if it's the case where blah 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 and a them thing they go on, well, like what I say, sometimes you have to pay the price, and what you have to understand is when you come from a certain background, you have to know what you do, because you don't really get certain privilege like other people, you understand? So it is what it is, people. It's about Chris Blacks, and it's been another episode of Chris Black's Opinion. We'll talk about a little of this, little of that, little of fiction, and some facts. Chris Black's Opinion. Who cares? Like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'm out.